And my top canister, I'm gonna flip it over. And this goes like there. First I need to flip it back over. This piece here slides between those two holes. That's inside. Slide it up like that. They're going to stick through. Slide straight inside. And this is going to go right over that. Right on the top. Gotta hold it to keep it from falling out. You can't sit on the floor. These screws. One screw on each side. Not allowed the force to hold that in. And there's a section behind here. This slides through. Once it's all the way through, just going to turn it and lock it in place. I think I have it upside down. It goes this way. And you slide it back there and turn it, lock it in place. Just like that. Let's get that screwed on. Look like that. It goes in like this way. I'm going to slide it through. Once it gets through, it's going to turn that. It's going to lock it in place. That. And this piece here just simply screws on, but it wasn't a filter there. This piece didn't have a filter on it, so we're going to make one out of an old sock. Just going to take a measure here, and I'm going to cut it about here. Be a temporary filter. It should work okay. I'm going to take this off, put it over that. Like that. That should work pretty good. And you can double up on it if it's not holding back the dust. This slides under here and turn, and that's in place. And I forgot to take, got something here. Maybe not. Okay. Put it back in place. Now this bottom tray. These slide inside of here. I'm sure I got them going in the right section here. I should leave it tight. No, I don't. Shouldn't have to force them in. Let's see here. Just fit right out real easy. Make sure. I think that's facing the wrong way. Okay. if you have to force them in, you got it on the wrong side. So one goes on this side, just slides right in, and the other one the other side. Just like that. Good to go. Just slides right under, and the handle locks it in place. So we got all of our filters. On the front side clean, we got a roller clean, got a belt. I only got under that clean. What we have to do now is on the back, I'm going to clean. A filter goes here, inside of this section here, and it's missing, so we got to make one. This is what it looked like. Get off the other one. I'm just going to put that up against this. This is the old, this is an air filter from a vehicle that's no longer used. I'm going to take and line this up and give me a marker and trace it and just cut me a filter out of there. Okay, I have, this is the original filter here. So, and the bottom one came out of a automobile. I'm taking a trace. How much I need to cut out there. Taking cut through this thick thing. Like it's going through. Flip the other way. And I need to probably stop it here. One end to get the other end out. Cut along the edge here. Get it nice. I get more than what I'm looking for here. I'm going to pour that out. Just want enough. I can get, I don't know if that's going to fit. It's going to stick out. That's going to stick out, so, okay. It's going to be way too thick, so we're going to hack it. I'm going to take enough. I'm going to have a few grooves in it. So you can cut it. And get the dust out of here. Okay, let's turn this sideways here. We're on this back. Snap this back on here. Let it wipe out. Still some remnants here. Can't get it all out. Snap back in place. Go here. Okay, we got that back in place. This piece that I cut, what I'm going to do is take, kind of slide it in there. I have something to work with. The air hole is down here at the bottom. So I'm going to make sure that's at least covered. I'm going to stuff one down in there. And the rest, we're going to let it kind of hang there. Get that to be still while I close it. I want to bring this up. I want it to fold on me, like it's doing. But bring it out. We'll try something else that didn't work. Let's see if we do that. Try this again. This one's a little longer. Okay. Let's slide this out inside this slide. And we're going to bend them a little. This one seems fitting a little better. I shouldn't slide down now. I can just get it fold some. Catch the debris. Pieces of rubber hanging off of there. Fold toward me, fold downward, should be good to go. How many I can get in there? And it's still closed. That should be enough there. Let me cut this. Should be able to still close it up. Should be good to go. So now the back has a filter that's been hacked. Set it up right. And I have some more left over. I'm going to put the hose back on here. Put it back over again. Two screws there. Disconnected this, so 1, 2. Put that in place. There we go. And there you have it. So both of these have been disassembled, cleaned, inspected, and look like they're going to be pretty good vacuum cleaners. Got them cleaned up. They have good The only problem is one of them there just need a bulb replacement, and they'll be in good shape. The Virtually True cleaning up the Bissell Lift Off Revolutionary Turbo Vacuum Cleaners. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.